Alright, this is time vocabulary that we've gone over in class. We talked about the sign for day, which is day. Every day, which is that A hand on your cheek, and it kind of makes small circles. Every day. Yesterday moves back, and then tomorrow moves forward. So every day, yesterday, and tomorrow. Okay? We talked about days of the week. For days of the week, you just start with the letter of the word. So for example, M for Monday, and it just makes a circle, Monday. Some people will do this palm in, Monday, or palm out, Monday. Okay? Tuesday would then be a T, makes a circle. Wednesday, Thursday is an H, makes a circle. Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday's a little bit different. Two closed 5 hands, palms out, and you kind of make circles. Sunday. Alright, so then if you wanted to say every Monday or every Friday or every Sunday, you just pull it down. So for every Monday you have that M, and you just pull it straight down. Every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday, every Saturday, and then once again, every Sunday is a little bit different. Every Sunday. So for the day of the week, you make circles, and for the every day of the week, you pull it straight down. Okay? The sign for week. Week. So it starts at the your wrist and moves down to your fingertips. Week. If I wanted to say last week, you do the sign for week, but then it goes behind you. Like a week in the past. Okay? We talked about how you can put a number on your hand, like for example a 2, and make it 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Alright, so if it goes behind you, it's in the past. If it moves forward, it's in the future. So week or next week. Once again, 2 weeks in the future or 3 weeks in the future. If you wanted to say every week, you do the sign for week, but it pulls down. Alright? Every week. Month. 2 index finger, one kind of runs down the back of the other. Month. Last month. And next month. And once again, you can put whatever number on your hand. Like for example, 3, you could say 3 months, or you could say 3 months ago, or 3 months in the future, or in 3 months. Okay? The sign for every month then, similar to every week, you do the sign for month, but then you pull it down every month. Year, 2 S hands, one on top of the other, makes a circle forward, and then lands again. Year. Last year, these ones are just a little different. Last year, you start like this, and then you just pop it back 1. Or you could say 2 years ago, or 3 years ago. Next year goes forward. Every year, you're going to move the sign down and you kind of flick out that 1 finger. Happens every year or annually. Every year. Alright, so you have day, week, month, and year. We talked about times of day in class. So for example, morning. Morning. Like the sun is coming up. Noon, sun is straight up in the sky. And then afternoon, that sun starts to go down. Afternoon. Then lastly, night. Night. If you want to say every morning, it's going to slide across. So every morning or every afternoon or every night. We also talked about some less obvious time indicators. The first one we looked at was soon. So this is F hand, it starts out and it twists in and touches your lips. Soon. Recently. So it's that X hand, your palms facing back, and it kind of taps the side of your cheek. Recently. Typically or usually or a tendency to would be middle fingers touch your shoulder and you pop them straight out. Typically. Up till now, same location, but it's just index fingers. So you touch the inside of your shoulder and you kind of pull your hands forward in an arc. So typically, up till now, soon, recently. We discussed before and after. So before, and then after, before, and after. We also talked about now, and then today being very similar, just kind of bounce it, today or now. I believe that is all of them that we discussed. Past and future were two more. So past, you just throw it behind your shoulder. Past, or last in some cases, and then future. I think that's all. Thanks.